Imagine buying a stock today and holding it for the next 100 years, watching it grow, weathering every storm, and building wealth for generations. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, some stocks have done just that, standing the test of time and creating incredible legacies of profitability. Let's uncover their to modern capitalism. In the early 1900s, the stock market became a household term. Industrialization, technological advances, and the rise of consumer goods companies fueled a wave of innovation and investment. Amid these waves, some companies planted roots so deep they're still thriving today. Let's now uncover some stocks that have remained profitable for over 100 years. These companies share certain traits: adaptability, innovation, and a commitment to their core values. Here are a few standouts. Coca-Cola Co. Founded in 1886, Coca-Cola revolutionized the beverage industry through marketing genius and constant product innovation. The company has remained a global leader, with its stock delivering consistent returns for decades. Procter Gamble PG. Dating back to 1837, P&G synonymous with household staples. From Tide detergent to Pampers, its portfolio has grown through strategic acquisitions and a relentless focus on consumer needs. ExxonMobil XOM. Starting as Standard Oil in the late 1800s, ExxonMobil has adapted through energy transitions and global economic changes. Its dividends are a testament to its resilience. Johnson & Johnson J&J. Since 1886, this healthcare giant has been at the forefront of medical innovation, producing everything from baby products to life-saving pharmaceuticals. What's the secret sauce? Well, every company's journey is unique. They share key factors that contribute to their longevity. Diversification. These companies expanded their offerings to adapt to changing consumer demands. Strong leadership, visionary leaders, and sound management have guided them through crises. Global reach, expanding beyond local markets, ensured steady growth. Commitment to innovation, staying ahead of trends and investing in research kept them relevant. For modern investors, these companies provide valuable lessons. Patience pays off. Long-term investments often yield substantial rewards. Dividend reinvestment. Many of these stocks are dividend aristocrats, rewarding shareholders consistently. Understand what you own. These companies' success stems from strong fundamentals and clear value propositions. Conclusion. History shows us that some stocks aren't just investments, they're legacies. Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, and others have not only survived, but thrived, proving that with the right strategies, profitability can last for generations. So, which companies today do you think could follow in their footsteps? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of finance.